Let's learn 5 color idioms for real life.
Number 1. Out of the blue. It means completely unexpected. Example: he called me out of the blue after 5 years of no contact. Number 2. Give the green light. It means give permission to start something. Example: the boss gave us the green light to launch the project. Number 3. In the red. It means owing money, in debt. Example: the company has been in the red for the past 2 years. Number 4. White lie. It means a small, harmless lie, often told to be polite. Example: I told a white lie about liking the food so I wouldn't hurt her feelings. Number 5. Black and white. It means very clear and simple, with no confusion or middle ground. Example: he sees everything in black and white. There's no in-between for him. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.